Guava may seem simple, but its journey begins inside high-tech factories with fresh, carefully selected fruits. From washing and crushing to extracting, filtering, and bottling, every step is controlled for taste and quality. Step inside to see how guava juice is made from raw fruit to a refreshing drink.
The sensors are working perfectly. We've minimized the good fruit diversion rate to almost zero.
Excellent. Keep monitoring the bricks levels on line 4.
Here, the guavas undergo a high-intensity wash, with soft brushes scrubbing the skin before the final rinse.
Check the pressure reading on the main tank.
It seems consistent with the flow rate.
Pressure is stable at 200 psi.
The flow rate is optimized according to the tablet. The texture looks good.
Agreed. Maintain current speed.
Looks like the thermal hold is steady right at the target.
Perfect. Guava lot 24 is clear. The temperature is dropping steadily now. We are down to 15 degrees.
Noted. The flow rate looks good. The ratio looks stable now. Yes, we can maintain this speed. The bricks level is perfect. The homogenization process ensures the guava nectar achieves that perfectly smooth, consistent texture. The pressure on tank 7 is holding steady at 15 psi. Make a note of the temperature fluctuation.
Noted. The next calibration is due Thursday.
See this reading here. We're getting consistent cooling across the board.
All right. I'll just check the gauge on this batch.
The UV exposure levels are consistent with the protocol.
Good. The thermal mapping shows the core temperature is stable.
The foam levels are stabilizing now.
Good. Let's keep the line speed consistent.
This spike here correlates with the sensor calibration we did earlier.
Yes, the seal integrity is holding steady at 20 psi. Check the seam on that one near the front.
Looks tight.
Looks tight. We are running smoothly now. The alignment on the last batch looks perfect. We can increase the speed now.
Agreed. The new calibration holds steady.
The alignment on the left roller seems slightly off. I noticed that too. I'll adjust the calibration now.